Hello, Connie. This is Josh from Josh and Denny SEO. I'm shooting over that video about how you can improve your online presence. Now, just taking a look at your website, got a great header, um, great logo, as well as all your different tabs, and yeah, a click to call for those quick conversions, which is awesome. And just taking a look through your website, you got a lot of beautiful pictures, a lot of services, shop in store or online um, catalog. Keep forgetting that word. Then, of course, about you, mission statement, what's going on, what you have above competition. And then, of course, leave name, number, as well as what date you need the services, what services you need, which is awesome. So, just taking a look through your website, I don't see a ton of content. I would say around 600 words tops. Now, what Google is looking for when they call your site is around 1,500 to 2,000 words. That's going to let them know that you're a website with relevant content. What they're also looking for are keywords. What a keyword is those buyer intent words that people are putting into Google to find your specific service. So let's take a look behind the scenes on your website about what's going on. So this is Ahrefs. It's what we use to do that. So just putting your website into Ahrefs, the two main things are your UR rating and your DR rating. So the UR rating is the strength rating of your website, how strong your website is. And the DR rating is how much trust Google places in your website. So on average, you are looking for about 30 to 40 and have them on a ratio of 1 to 1. So we are looking to improve that. And the way to do that would be to add backlinks. So you have 20 backlinks, which isn't bad. However, not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be an awful backlink because that is super spammy. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog about either vinyl, hardwood, any of the services that you provide would be a great backlink to have leading back to your website. As well as what's super important are those organic keywords. So those keywords that your website is ranking for in order for people to find your specific service. So let's check out what keywords you're ranking for. So your top one, boardwalk floor, um, which are your name. So that's why you're going to be the top one for those, or at least you're going to be the top searched. For Boardwalk Floor, you're actually on the second page. And then just going down, Custom Floors Texas, which is great. You're on the bottom of the first page or top of the second page. You're getting an organic traffic of 3 through that, which isn't terrible. Um, but if you would get that to the first, you'd get the higher traffic. And then just going down, they're not really ranking for any of these keywords that your um, website is ranking or is showing that those keywords are for. As you can see, zero traffic because you're essentially on the like fourth or fifth page. So that's where people go to die or websites go to die. On the anything past the first page, no one looks. So that's why you're not getting any traffic, even though those are keywords that you have on your site. So let's take a look at one of those keywords. So floor installation Houston, Texas. So first thing you have are those pay-per-clicks, those ads. So those are the people that are paying to be on the front, but they pay every time someone clicks. The second thing is that GMB, which is super important because the GMB, 30 to 40% of all people stop here and pick one of these three because that's the easiest thing to do. Now, last thing is those organic rankings, and that's the strength of your site. So let's take a look at the number one person, Houston Floor Installation Services. So their website, they got a lot going on in their header. They have their click to call, they have all their different tabs and all their different pages. And then going down, they don't have like the best of setups. They have how you can go through with them, all the services they offer, where they offer their different works. So Not a crazy site, but they do pretty well. They're, as you can tell, they're at the top. So let's take a look behind the scenes on why they're doing so well. So just looking at their site, they have a UR rating, that strength rating, their website is 21, which is pretty good. Their DR rating, though, their trust rating is only a zero point 0.7. However, they're on the top because look how many backlinks they have. They have 596 backlinks. Now, as I said before, not all backlinks are created equal, but they have the volume to make up for that, as well as those organic keywords. So they have 309 keywords. And let's take a look at what those keywords are and how they're ranking. So just taking a look, of course, they have their name. So that's going to be a one that they're going to be at the top for, as well as that is a decent keyword for Houston. Florence Lation near me, that one is so generic because anyone in anywhere can type that word into Google. And then their first real one is Florence Lation Houston, which they're on the second page with 200 people a month searching for that, which is giving them that organic traffic of 31. And then Flooring Services, they're the first one, getting 19 out of only 50 searches. That's amazing. So if you'd be looking to beat them out, main thing is get those 1,500 words to 2,000 words on your site with those keywords mixed in, those buyer intent keywords, the floor installation Houston, Houston floor installation, floor installers Houston. Get those keywords that people are searching for in our area, as well as up those backlinks. You got to get as many backlinks as you can. You already have some, and you can take the ones from Floor Installation Houston services because you already know those work, so you can use those and integrate them into yours, and then just of course add some new ones so you can start beating them out. And through that, you'd be able to start ranking higher and getting those keywords to rank higher, which would be awesome. Getting your organic traffic higher, getting they had 270, you have 43. You can once you beat them out, you'd be getting a ton more people coming through your website and coming through your services. Um, yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Um, yeah, as always, if you like what you saw, you can always reach back to me, as well as I'm always looking to improve my craft. So if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.